The ABC Learning Lane, where learning is fun.
Lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle, but they actually live in grasslands, not jungles. Elephant. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal and can even recognize themselves in a mirror. Tiger. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur, and each pattern is unique like a fingerprint. Bear. Bears can smell food from over 20 miles away. Now that's a super sniffer. Dolphin. Dolphins are incredibly smart and even have names for each other in the form of unique whistles. Monkey. Some monkeys use tools, like sticks, to get bugs or honey out of trees. Whale. The blue whale is the largest animal to ever live, bigger than any dinosaur. Rhinoceros. A rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same stuff as your fingernails. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they're amazing swimmers and can fly through the water. Shark. Sharks have been around longer than dinosaurs, over 400 million years. Snake. Snakes can smell with their tongues by flicking them to taste the air. Zebra. Every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes. No two are the same. Giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks of any animal and only 7 neck bones, just like us. Sea turtle. Sea turtles can live for over 100 years and always return to the beach where they were born. Koala. Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day and only eat eucalyptus leaves. Gorilla. Gorillas can laugh when they're tickled, just like humans. Kangaroo. Kangaroos can't walk backward and use their strong tails for balance. Polar bear. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to soak up heat from the sun. Owl. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees almost all the way around. Panda. Pandas spend up to 12 hours a day eating bamboo. That's a lot of chewing. Fox. Foxes use the Earth's magnetic field to help them hunt like having a built-in compass. Crocodile. Crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for over an hour. Orca. Also known as killer whales, orcas are actually the largest members of the dolphin family. Eagle. Eagles have eyesight up to 8 times stronger than humans. They can spot prey from miles away. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, running up to 70 miles per hour. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees share about 98% of their DNA with humans, and they're our closest animal relatives. Hippopotamus. Hippos can run faster than humans on land, even though they look slow and heavy. Wolf. Wolves live and hunt in packs and have a strong family bond. Octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts and can squirt ink to escape danger. Deer. Male deer grow new antlers every year. They fall off and regrow bigger each time. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in the world and has venomous saliva. Seal. Seals can hold their breath for up to 2 hours while diving. Flamingo. Flamingos are born gray, turning pink from the shrimp and algae they eat. Parrot. Parrots can mimic human speech and even learn dozens of words. Lobster. Lobsters taste with their legs and chew with their stomachs. Isn't that weird? Crab. Crabs walk sideways because of the way their legs are jointed. Jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have brains, hearts, or bones, and some can glow in the dark. Squirrel. Squirrels plant thousands of trees by forgetting where they hide their nuts. Raccoon. Raccoons are excellent problem solvers and can even open locks. Skunk. Skunks spray a stinky smell to scare off predators, but only if they feel threatened. Otter. Otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't float away from each other. Bat. Bats are the only mammals that can fly, and they sleep upside down. Meerkat. Meerkats take turns standing guard to warn the group of danger. Tortoise. Some tortoises can live for over 150 years, making them some of the oldest animals on Earth. Toucan. Toucans use their huge, colorful beaks to grab fruit and cool off. Leopard. Leopards are strong climbers and often drag their food into trees to keep it safe. Peacock. Male peacocks use their bright tail feathers to attract mates. Reindeer. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, unlike most other deer. Hyena. Hyenas aren't just scavengers, they're excellent hunters too. Moose. Moose are the largest members of the deer family and can swim very well. Orangutan. Orangutans build a new nest in the trees every night to sleep. Walrus. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water and onto the ice. Sloth. Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur. What perfect camouflage! Seahorse. In seahorse families, it's the dads who carry and give birth to the babies. Antelope. Antelope can leap up to 10 feet high to escape predators. Coyote. Coyotes are clever and can live in forests, deserts, and even cities. Bison. Bison are the largest land animals in North America and were once nearly extinct. Alligator. Alligators can stay underwater for up to 2 hours without needing to breathe. Porcupine. Porcupines have about 30,000 sharp quills to protect themselves from predators. Chipmunk. Chipmunks have stretchy cheek pouches to carry food back to their burrows. Lynx. Lynxes have super sharp eyesight and huge paws that work like snowshoes. Beaver. Beavers build dams and lodges using sticks, mud, and even rocks. Jackal. Jackals are known for their eerie howls and great teamwork when hunting. Baboon. Baboons have powerful jaws and live in large social groups called troops. Manatee. Manatees are gentle sea cows that eat only plants and can weigh over 1,000 pounds. Ostrich. Ostriches can't fly, but they are the fastest running birds, up to 45 miles per hour. Gazelle. Gazelles can run fast and leap high to escape predators like cheetahs. Mongoose. Mongooses are immune to some snake venom and are brave snake fighters. Iguana. Iguanas can fall from high trees and survive by using their long tails for balance. Gibbon. Gibbons swing between trees using their long arms. They're masters of the jungle gym. Camel. Camels store fat in their humps, not water, and can go for weeks without a drink. Red panda. Red pandas use their big bushy tails for balance and warmth while sleeping. Panther. Panther is a name often used for black leopards or black jaguars. Quokka. Quokkas are known as the happiest animals because they always look like they're smiling. Tarsier. Tarsiers have giant eyes bigger than their brains to help them see in the dark. Serval. Servals have the longest legs compared to body size of any cat and can jump 10 feet. tapir. Tapirs look like a mix of a pig and an elephant and are great swimmers. Warthog. Warthogs kneel on their front legs to eat grass and roots close to the ground. Wild boar. Wild boars use their sharp tusks to dig and protect themselves from predators. Wombat. Wombats poop in cubes to keep it from rolling away. Muskox. Muskoxen have thick fur and live in the Arctic, where temperatures drop below freezing. Armadillo. Armadillos can roll into a ball to protect themselves with their hard shells. Lemur. Lemurs are only found in Madagascar and are known for their big eyes and jumpy moves. Capybara. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world and love to chill in water. Echidna. Echidnas are spiny mammals that lay eggs just like the platypus. Okapi. Okapis are relatives of giraffes, even though they look like a mix of a zebra and a horse. Water buffalo. Water buffalo are strong swimmers and are used around the world as farm animals. African wild dog. African wild dogs have the highest hunting success rate of any carnivore. Stoat. Stoats turn white in the winter to blend in with the snow and sneak up on prey. Civet. Civets help grow coffee by eating coffee cherries and passing the seeds, yep, poop coffee. Marmot. Marmots are chunky ground squirrels that hibernate all winter long. Bighorn sheep. Bighorn sheep use their strong curved horns to battle for dominance. Groundhog. Groundhogs are expert diggers and can build underground homes with multiple rooms. Salamander. Salamanders can regrow lost legs and tails like superheroes of the forest. Tarantula. Tarantulas are furry spiders that are mostly harmless to humans. Sea urchin. Sea urchins use their tiny tube beak to crawl across the ocean floor. Gila monster. The Gila monster is one of the few venomous lizards in the world. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of camouflage and can change their skin color in an instant. Jaguar. Jaguars have the strongest bite of all big cats and love to swim. Pelican. Pelicans have stretchy throat pouches to scoop up fish from the water. Sponge. Sponges are animals, not plants, and they don't have any organs. Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devils have the strongest bite for their size and make loud screeching sounds. Dugong. Dugongs are close relatives of manatees and graze on underwater grass like sea cows. Chameleon. Chameleons change color to communicate, not just to blend in. Shrimp. Shrimp have their hearts in their heads and are an important part of the ocean food chain. Snail. Snails can sleep for years when conditions get tough. Wallaby. Wallabies are like mini kangaroos and hop around using their strong back legs. Flounder. Flounders start life with eyes on both sides, but one eye moves as they grow flat. Cougar. Cougars go by many names: mountain lion, puma, and panther, all the same animal. Pangolin. Pangolins are covered in protective scales made of keratin, like fingernails. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are called sea canaries because of their wide range of vocal sounds. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs curl into a ball, covering themselves with sharp spines when they're scared. Badger. Badgers are strong diggers and can tunnel through hard ground and even concrete. Manta ray. Manta rays have the largest brains of any fish and can leap out of the water. Hornbill. Hornbills seal themselves inside tree holes to lay eggs, leaving only a tiny opening for food. Squid. Squid have 10 arms and can squirt ink to escape predators. Platypus. The platypus lays eggs, has a bill like a duck, and can sense electricity in the water. Scorpion. Scorpions glow under ultraviolet light and have existed for over 400 million years. Coati. Coatis use their long noses to sniff out bugs and fruit in the forest. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies and swim by flapping their sides like wings. Wildebeest. Wildebeest migrate in huge herds, one of the greatest animal movements on Earth. Eel. Eels look like snakes but are actually fish, and some can generate electricity. Anteater. Anteaters have no teeth, but have super long, sticky tongues up to 2 feet long. Sea lion. Sea lions can walk on land using their flippers and are expert swimmers. Wolverine. Wolverines are small but fierce, able to take down prey much bigger than themselves. Wow! You did an amazing job learning lots of new animals today. If you had fun, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another lesson. See you next time!